Meaning of geo.
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 Geo. The prefix geo- refers to the earth or geography. It is derived from the Greek word ge, which means earth. Words containing this prefix relate to various aspects of the earth, such as its physical features, climate, geological composition, and spatial relationships. For instance, geology is the study of the earth's physical structure and substance, geography is the science of place and space, and geocaching is an outdoor activity that involves using a GPS receiver to find hidden containers called caches. Overall, the prefix geo- has a strong association with the natural world and the study of it.